Inaantok na to si Kenny. We're gonna eat first. We're gonna swim. We're gonna, rest a little bit. You want to go to water park? No, we're going tomorrow. Now we're going to swimming pool. We're gonna eat. We're gonna, chill. Dito na kami sa hotel. Where's your ID? That's your tracker. So, dito kami stay sa Star and Philly Hotel. Ayun, nakita ko yung bar. Mukha tayong bar.
Siyempre kailangan yan.
Tayo dun sa may glass. Habang nagsuswimming sila, Kendall.
Sabay unom na mamaya.
Hindi, mag-chill lang kami ni Papa P sa swimming pool muna. And then, mag-chill kami late. Para bukas makagala tayo. It's 2:50 p.m. na. Gusto rin namin umakyat sa glass. Meron kasi dito yung glass sa taas. Sa skydeck ata yun. Ganda, no? Kendall, to gusto na mag-swimming eh. Nakita nila yung doon, yung fun park sa may seaside. SM Cebu. Ha? Tomorrow na, Bray. It's already 2:50. We're going to this big swimming pool upstairs. Okay? Did you see that? I showed you that. Yeah, there's a slide there. Yeah. We're gonna swim. We're gonna eat first. We're gonna have a lunch. So, diba? Kararating pa lang. Bawal magpahinga. Mag-check-in muna. Tapos mag-activities na naman. Galing.
Tuloy.
Yes. Whose room is this? At their room. Ito yung room pala nila. Nanto ka na, be? Kakain muna tayo, Bray. Here's your view. Wow, ocean. And ito yung bathroom nyo. Let's go eat and swim. Mag-change muna kayo ng pang nyo.
What's this?
And here's our room ni Papa P. Papalit sana akong damit. Pero magsuswimming na kami. Laki ng... Ayan, ang laki ng bathroom. Pwede na kami mag 360 dito. Taray. May casting. Bathtub. Ganda ng view namin. And here's our bed. That should be me. Holding your hands. That should be me. So pretty. Ooh. Oh, Diyos! Ginoo. Si Papa P, gutom na to. 3:30 na. You're hungry? No, hindi pa yan kumakain. Kumain kami sa airport. Ayaw naman niya kumain. Kasi pag kumakain daw siya, nasusyoy daw siya. So, mainit! Nalulusaw na naman ako dito sa init. Pupunutan na yung mga noo. Ito gusto mag-swimming.